Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Hi DJ Lala. It's my day 3 of being brokenhearted. Of being single. He's my first boyfriend after 24 years. Pero di ko po alam bakit nagkaganito. I am vocal for what I feel about everything, especially sa relationship namin. But he always invalidate my feelings saying na madrama daw ako and so on. Till pagsimulan na ng misunderstanding namin. I am the person who says sorry first. Lalo na kapag he played the victim card na parang kasalanan ko pa na nag-open ako sa kanya. DJ Lala, he's my first boyfriend. He courted me just for 3 months, only thinking na once na kami na, ay ipapakita niya pala yung true color niya. And that so happened nga. He lacks on affection. He was always comparing me to his ex. Tinatanggi, tinatago. Is this my karma kasi di ko muna siya kinilala agad? Nasayang lang ang first ko. What hurts me most po is that he never says sorry sa mga nagawa niya. May fault din siguro ako. Yun siguro yung sensitive ako at nag-expect ako na masaya ang love. Thank you DJ Lala and more power to your show. My love, alam nyo, this is normal. Sometimes kapag hindi nag-work or most of the time kapag hindi nag-work yung relationship, aside from blaming the other person, we tend to blame ourselves too much. Iniisip natin na baka along the way, we became to this, we became to that. And that's okay. Kasi ang tawag natin doon actually ay assessment. Ina-assess mo yung sarili mo, what went wrong along the way. Pero sana alam mo din na at the end of the day, even if malaman mo kung sino talaga yung may sala, siya o ikaw, it won't change the ending. Ang dulo niyan, break pa din naman kayo. So take all the lessons you can learn from that relationship and forgive yourself for not being smarter. Forgive yourself for wanting something more. Forgive yourself from being too sensitive, ika nga ng sinabi mo, or forgive yourself from expecting. Dapat sa dulo, my love, lagi niyong papatawarin yung sarili ninyo. Kasi hindi mo naman masisisi yung sarili mo for expecting something in love. Especially when it's your first. Pero siguro, my love, for future reference, there's nothing wrong about being open, being expressive, being sensitive. Pero meron kasing borderline, yung taong expressive, yung taong sensitive, sa nagiging passive-aggressive demanding. When I say passive-aggressive demanding, it's when you tell your partner kung ano yung hindi niya nagagawa. Tapos biglang sasabihin mo na napansin ko lang no, hindi tayo masyadong nagde-date, hindi tayo masyadong lumalabas, hindi mo ko masyadong pinopost. Pero okay lang kung ganyan ka talaga. Medyo napansin ko lang, na-hurt lang ako. That kind of wordings kasi, it's kind of passive-aggressive. Pero para siyang subtle way of demanding na, uy, i-post mo ko. Uy, i-date mo ko. Uy, ilabas mo ko. Uy, ipakilala mo ko sa mga to. It's a passive-aggressive way of doing that in a very subtle, cute way. Pero yun nga, my love, maybe ang first thing that you have to do, siguro, for the next romantic relationship you are about to embark in, is one, do not expect anything. Not out of love. Kasi love is mysterious and love is surprising as it is. Promise, there are certain things in love na isa-surprise ka na lang niya na, ito pala yung love. Stop expecting anything from your partner. Kasi once na nag-set ka ng expectations in your head that this is how a relationship should be, this is how a boyfriend should act, this is how I should move or sabihin na natin na behave as a girlfriend. Once na nag-set ka ng expectations na yan, of course, kapag hindi na-meet, nafe-feel bad ka. Bumababa yung value ng relationship mo sa mata niya, bumababa yung value ng relationship nyo sa mata mo because hindi na meet yung expectations in your head. So, siguro for the next romantic relationship, Rain, that's something that you have to keep in mind. That every person has their own unique way of being in a relationship, of showing someone kung gaano nila kamahal yung tao. So, iba yung napapanood, iba yung na-experience mo dati sa kung sino man yung makakarelasyon mo ngayon. Talagang malaki yung differences nila. But the truth is, you shouldn't be comparing in your head. Siguro, ang pinagkaiba nyo lang sa comparison part is siya kino-compare ka sa ex mo, ikaw naman kino-compare mo siya sa expectations mo of him. So both of you were trying to compare each other to someone else nang hindi mo din nanonotice. Kumbaga, unconsciously mo siyang ginagawa. My love, again, after mong matutunan lahat ng natutunan mo sa relationship na yan, what you deserve, what you don't deserve, what you should do sa next relationship, what you should avoid, what you should change about the way mo i-perceive or tanggapin or isipin or pag-isipan ang kahit ano tungkol sa love, my love, i-apply mo lang yan sa next relationship. Sabi ko nga sa post ko sa thread, yes, may post na ako sa thread. There are 3 things na pwede mong tanggapin or pwede mong matutunan after a failed relationship or after your heart gets broken. Babasahin ko siya para sa iyo, my love. And para na din sa mga kabisyo nating nagdi-deal with a broken heart. Ayan. 3 things to remember when your heart is broken. 1, the things happen for a reason. Even if hindi mo pa nakikita ngayon, time will come when you'll thank yourself for letting go of the wrong person. Number 2, the best is yet to come. When I say the best, it doesn't have to mean another romantic relationship. Sometimes it means a better you comes out of that relationship. Wala ka mang nakuhang kahit anong matinding memory or matinding sabihin na natin love experience doon, meron kang nakuhang iba, mas importante. Lessons that will make you stronger. Ayan. And you always have to look forward to see a better you at the end of the day. Or happier you. And number 3, na yung experience is yung best teacher. After your heart gets broken, you may not notice it, pero you become more mature. Mas nag-iba yung perception mo about freedom, about being single, about falling in love, about being in a relationship. Every heartache, every pain, every scar caused by the previous relationship brings us closer to the person that we wanna be in the future. Yung mga taong nakikita mong ina-idolize mo ngayon, hindi naman sila dyan nakarating ng walang galos eh. Lahat ng yan may pinagdaanang masakit. That's the reason why they are as strong as they are today. Because yung mga battle scars na meron sila, yung experiences na meron sila under their belt, in-extract nila lahat ng lessons in life from that. And they applied it continuously sa mga future endeavors nila. So my love, savor the pain. Go through the process of grief, of loss. Pagdaanan mo yung sakit ng yan. Kasi kung hindi mo yan pagdadaanan, kung isi-skip mo yan, you'll never learn. And tandaan nyo to, by the end of the day or at the end of the day, the reason why we appreciate love more, the reason as to why iba yung saya natin kapag nakatagpo tayo ng tamang tao, is because we know about pain. Because we know how it feels like to be with the wrong person. That's why we appreciate the next one even more. And that's how we become happier. So yung process na yan, my love, welcome to growing up. It's part of the journey to finding the right person for you. Nagsisimula ka palang mahal ko. Sa akin, siguro, nakarami ako before ako sinabi ko sa sarili ko na ang dami ko nang natutunan. Or before ako dumating dun sa punto na sabi ko, I'm at peace with myself. Nakarami muna akong sugat. Nakarami muna akong galos. Ikaw nagsisimula ka pa lang, my love. Although I do not wish a lot of heartache in the future for you, pero I am confident that because of that heartache, because of that pain, your next one will be more beautiful. Isipin mo na lang na ang first love, ang first boyfriend, ang first experience of falling in love will always be overrated. Kasi andyan lahat ng expectations. Hindi lahat ng tao binibigyan ng una't huli. Karamihan binibigyan tayo ng una, madaming sakit, saka pa tayo makakapunta sa huli. So my love, just go with the flow. Enjoy the journey. That is the risk we take in falling in love. And that's why love is worth fighting for. Kasi yung risks that we take every single time, yung risk of putting our heart in the open and having it broken by someone else, that is a worthy feeling na hindi mo ma-exchange to any other experience. Kasi diyan ka din nakakakuha ng saya na hindi mo matutumbasan ng kahit ano pang experience. So you'll be fine, my love. Take it from me. Scarred, experienced, but wiser and stronger. Claro? Claro.